Hello and welcome once again to Moorgate Andrology. Now in this video we want to talk about a very common condition that we see here at the clinics with men coming in with something called a snapped banjo string. And if you've ever had a snapped banjo string, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. This is a tear in the frenulum, and the frenulum is a small band of tissue on the underside of the penis that connects the foreskin to the penis shaft. It plays a role in sensitivity and movement of the foreskin. Sometimes the frenulum is too short, which causes discomfort, tightness, or even tearing during sexual activity. And if you've ever had a snapped banjo string, it can be pretty alarming because when it comes with sharp pain at the moment of the tearing. A lot of guys get bleeding at the same time. That bleeding can be quite heavy. It can be quite shocking. And obviously swelling and discomfort. Now there is a simple, straightforward procedure to fix this problem with the frenulum, and it's called a frenuloplasty. It's a very common procedure in urology, and it can be done under local or general anesthetic. It takes about, half an hour to an hour, and you'll be able to go home on the same day. A small incision is used to release the tension from the frenulum. Dissolvable sutures are used, so you don't have to return for sutures, and you'll need probably to take a few days off work, up to a week if you have a physical job. You'll have a little bit of discomfort and swelling in the first few days, and we'll give you a course of antibiotics and some pain relief medication to help with the post-operative recovery. After about 4 to 6 weeks, everything should have healed and you'll be able to resume sexual activity once again. If you have problems with your frenulum, if it's causing you issues, then please do get in touch with us and we'll arrange a consultation for you with one of our urologists. You'll be able to come to one of the clinics, get a consultation and an examination, and to see if frenuloplasty might be something that can help you. So there we go. That's frenuloplasty, something called a snapped banjo string. Well, until next time, that's all from me today. I'll see you next time back here at Moorgate Andrology. Until then, bye for now.